Nako, breaking news! Ayaw pagsalitain si Henry Marcoleta po at ini-strike out po. Motion to strike po. Itong ginawa po kay Henry Marcoleta, nitong ni Baculaw. At tinyo, sinoplak po ni Henry Marcoleta. Napakaraming pasabong ngayong araw na to. Talagang gustong-gusto nila na masolid na talagang si Sara ma-corner nila. No? Asar talo sila kasi si Sara di dumalo. No? Ngayon, si Marcoleta lang talaga nagsasalita dito, lumalaban. Pinagtutulungan nila, kinukuyog si Henry Marcoleta. Hintayin nyo, palaging senador to. Ganyan din ang ginawa nyo kay Senator. Kay Senator Rodante Marcoleta. Kaya siya naging senador dahil pinag-initan nyo. Yan, sumikat. O, nakita ng tao yung katwiran. Yun, naging senador, no? O, eto, Kati Binag, pakinggan muna natin, no? Malaman ang kanyang sinasabi dito. Talagang nakakapangilabot ang ginagawa ng mga to. Nakakagalit ang ginagawa ng mga to. Iba po. Iba layunin ng mga to. Ito po. Yan. Ewan ko, may mga taong bumuboto dito pero sinasadya nilang talaga yung tao pahirapan. Iba talaga.
Hi everyone! Ako lang ba nakapansin? Kasi pinapanood ko yung hearing sa HOR kanina. Napansin ko, nung umupo si Kong Paulo Marcoleta sa tabi ni Madriaga, pinalipat si Madriaga ng upuan. Then, nung si Kong Paulo Marcoleta na yung magsasalita, pinauwi si Madriaga. Nahalata nyo, dun palang kitang-kita nyo na bias na, parang pinag-iingat nila na hindi matanong si Madriaga ng mga tao, no?
Oo, ganyan yan. Talagang, atamo, sila-sila. Yung mga, atamo, sila-sila, di ba? Kita yung mga mukha, si Gorilla, si Baculaw, si Isda, si Ngiwi, si Ogag, ewan ko, si Lucifer. Yung mga magkakamukha dyan sa horror, yan, sila-sila din yan. Sila-sila din yan. May aklang matanda, may Ngiwi, may ano.
Para hindi
Nakateting kayo.
magkamali. Kitang-kita ko rin yung body language. May psychological effect kasi kapag meron kang tinatago, sa sarili mo. Like, ninenervyos ka, or kapag ayaw mo magkamali or makalimutan yung mga bagay-bagay, hihinto ka in the middle, tapos iiyak ka habang nagpabasa ka. Akin yun, di ba? So,
Hindi, kaya umiyak yan si Madriaga, hindi yan iyak dun sa binabasa niya. Umiyak yan sa nangyayari sa kanya. Ganun po yun eh. Alam nyo ito, handaan nyo minsan hindi minsan, madalas ya. Di ba minsan umiiyak tayo sa pangyayari? Hindi dahil sa pangyayaring yon. Umiyak tayo kasi napuno na tayo, before pa bago mangyari yung kaya tayo umiyak, may mga previous na buhay tayo nakakaiyak, napuno lang tayo dun sa bagay na yon. Ganun talaga yon. Minsan umiiyak ka sa bagay na hindi dun sa akma, sa sitwasyon na ba't ka umiiyak. Nagets nyo? Yan si Madriaga, magbabasa ka, iyak ka, mamaya may hinto ka, mapapayak ka na naman. Ano ka? Ang tagal na nangyari, mapapayak ka? Walang ganyang emosyonal. Ang emosyonal, tandaan mo ang tao, na-adapt niya kaganyan kahit napakalungkot. Di ba? Yun yung namatayan ng sariling ina, pati anak, makalipas na ng mga isang taon move on na siya Bagaman nakakaiyak yun, pero hindi na siya naiiyak ng gano'n. Naka-move on na. Maliban na lang kung na-break talaga yung pinakatalagang point ng puso niya sa kaibuturan niya, iiyak din pa rin, mapapayak pa rin. Pero ito, hindi naman to anak ang ano niya Di ba? Hindi ng pamilya na matayan siya Eto, sitwasyon na naman to Di ba? Sa binasang affidavit, napapaiyak, walang luha. Napapayak, walang luha. Di ba? Yan ang kredibilidad sa kanila. Yan ang merong kredibilidad sa kanila. Ganyan. Pati yung painting na buko. As ayaw magpatanong. Ayaw matanong ni Henry Marcoleta. Di ba? Walang malakas loob na magtatanong Kasi ang mga yan, magkakasabot yan Si Baculaw, si Lucifer, si Isda, si Bacoca, si Gorilla, si Unggo, si Elepante. Yung mga tao dyan sa Crocs. May Crocs. Bagalahi nila Crocs din, no?
Then, alam mo yung tinatry din nilang i-suppress si Kong Paolo Marcoleta kasi obviously, kitang-kita na natin talaga dito ng bias ang hearing na to. It's a mini trial to character assassinate the family Duterte. Halatang halata mga ma'am, sir. Huwag kayong masyadong kumpiyansa kasi may karma po. God bless everybody.
Huwag kayong kumpiyansa, hindi lahat ng panahon sa inyong kapangyarihan. Di ba? Hindi lahat ng panahon. Kayo nagsabi, di ba, sa mga Duterte dati, hindi lahat ng pagkakataon mga Duterte na sa kapangyarihan. O, di ba, kayo din ngayon, kami naman magsasabi, hindi lahat ng pagkakataon nasa inyong kapangyarihan. Tandaan niyan. Di ba? Huwag nyo abusuhin yan. Huwag nyo kala nyo kayo, pasahod kayo ng taong bayan. Huwag kayo pakala nyo kung sino kayo umasta dyan. Lamyaan nyo naman ng konti. maging maging magpapakumbaba kayo na may, pwede nyo naman tuklasin na may pagpapakumbaba yan eh. Kayo nasa posisyon eh. Di ba? Nakakagigil eh. Yung mga dapat imbestigahan din, ayaw nila imbestigahan eh. Kay Sara lang talaga sila. O, tingin nyo ha, pagtapos na kay Sara, dyan lang sila, wala silang gagawin. Yung 18 Maris, yung mamali-malita, wala silang pakialam dyan. Tingnan nyo. O, pakinggan nyo itong kay Henry Marcoleta kung paano pagtulungan ng mga crooks na to. Di Baculaw, si Junel, si Ogag, si Ogaga, si lahat ng dito na.
May I continue, Madam Chair?
Yes, I hope you are listening also to their manifestations.
Yes, ma'am.
because
I highly respect the opinion of
They are
Congressman De
in
Lima.
response to your statement that he is a conspirator in the alleged acts committed by the former president.
Mhm.
This is actually tantamount to a declaration against interest.
Mhm.
You may continue.
Number 3, the extraordinary nature of the claims demands an extraordinary standard of proof. Madam Chair, there is a principle recognized in law, in logic, and in common sense. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. The allegations in this written testimony are not ordinary. They include a sitting president being orchestrated as a puppet to be discarded on a predetermined schedule. Presidential assassination by poisoning as a contingency plan. A coordinated military coup involving active and retired AFP and PNP officers. The planned siege and assault of Malacanang Palace by hard militants and mercenaries, and the recruitment of underworld criminal networks to trigger civil unrest. These are not allegations, Madam Chair, of budgetary irregularities or administrative lapses. These are allegations of a massive, multi-layered conspiracy, criminal conspiracy at the highest levels of Philippine political and military life. If true, they would represent the most serious threat to Philippine democracy in recent memory. And yet, they are presented to this committee supported by nothing more than a handwritten account from a man facing serious criminal charges
If I
of his
may
own.
interrupt, Honorable Marcoleta, regardless of the nature and the amount of information that is being disclosed in the affidavits of the resource persons, our standard here is only probable cause.
Thank you,
So
Madam.
let it be placed on record.
Utot
what-
nyo. Gusto nyo lang talaga, masolid nyo talaga si Madriaga para kay Sara.
We're trying to establish here is the existence only of probable cause. That is regardless of the amount and the nature of the information disclosed.
Madam Chair,
Honorable Tino.
Madam Chair, the Honorable Marcoleta just mentioned that he is reacting to a handwritten account, a mere handwritten account of Madriaga. Pwede po, may I ask the representative to read that part of his statement again?
May I correct that kung ayaw mo ng handwritten, typewritten.
Hindi po. Sinabi nyo sa statement nyo, he's reacting to
Sinoplak mukha mo.
a
For
handwritten account.
accuracy, that handwritten was never accepted in the
It's-
committee.
Actually, I have in
my
me-
point precisely, Madam
Yes.
Chair.
I have in
Nag-react
me
siya. Alam ko rin po yung
two
handwritten.
copies of the
I have the floor,
affidavit.
Madam Chair.
One handwritten
Can
and
we hear
one
first the Honorable
typewritten.
Tino?
I have the floor, Madam Chair.
Yes,
Yes,
you may proceed.
I am aware of that handwritten account. Umikot po yan sa social media kahapon. May mga photos ng handwritten account allegedly by Mr. Madriaga na ang nilalaman ay tungkol sa sinasabi niya, no, yung alleged destabilization plot. However, Madam Chair, malinaw.
So, dali sabihin nun. Ang dali sabihin nun. Ayoko lang magsalita eh. Sino ba yung kasama ng mga ni Madriaga sa kulungan? Sino ba? Alamin nyo kung sino yung kasama niya sa kulungan. Ayoko magsalita kung sino-sino yung mga yan. Mga Lucifer, mga demonyo kasama sa kulungan. Hindi ko sinasabi mga preso ha. May mga kilalang tao na kasama sa kulungan yan. Alamin nyo kung ano yan. Ayoko magbigay ng pangalan. Ayoko. Gusto ko kayo magkalaman yan. Yan, nagdidikta dyan sa Madriaga na yan. Ganito sabihin mo, idamay mo sa ganito, damay mo sa ganito sabihin mo. Malalaman nyo rin yan. Itong sinasabi ko, lilitaw din yan. Di ba sabi ko, hindi ako ordinaryong vlogger-vloggeran lang. Nakikikomento lang. Marami din tayong alam kahit paano, no? Di ba? Iba dyan, nakikikomento lang, pag ganyan-ganyan lang. Di ba? Wala kang matututunan. Ha? Chismis lang meron.
Hindi yan
Dadalhin pa kayo sa pages, papahamak pa kayo, pakukulong pa kayo.
bahagi ng proceeding na
That's
ito.
correct.
No, ang pinag-uusapan po natin ay yung sworn supplemental affidavit
That's correct.
ni Mr.
That's
Madriaga.
correct. That's correct. That's correct.
In
So,
fact, it was asked by the Honorable Ko, and the chair answered that it is not part of our proceeding today.
precisely, Madam Chair. Therefore, his whole manifestation is out of order, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair, I have here,
Okay,
So-
let's hear the response of the Honorable Marcoleta.
opo, Madam,
Are you referring really to the handwritten?
to both, the handwritten and the typewritten. I have
But you
two here.
cannot refer to
On-
the
in my-
handwritten because it is not
in my
part of our
possession.
proceeding.
Anyway,
So you have to make up your mind. Is that manifestation pertaining to the handwritten or the computerized
okay, allow me to
affidavit?
make a correction to refer to the handwritten affidavit. If this satisfies
So you are
To the-
referring
to
to
the
the handwritten.
to the typewritten.
Mana sa tatay niya, no? Huwag kayo dyan kahit pagtulong-tulungan niya, sana yan. Sana yan.
Typewritten, does that satisfy the Honorable Tino?
There are only two affidavits that are part of the proceeding of our impeachment hearing. The first affidavit, that is computerized, and the supplemental affidavit, that is computerized as well. So please state for the record and be certain which document are you referring to in your manifestation.
For this purpose, ma'am, I'm referring to the supplemental affidavit here.
In other words, you stand corrected
No, Madam Chair.
when you made mention about a handwritten.
Yeah, sorry about the handwritten term.
All
Well,
right.
let me just point out na
Honorable
hindi,
Tino.
hindi po eksakto at hindi pareho ang nilalaman
That's correct.
ng supplemental at saka nung sinasabi niyang handwritten. Kaya
Opo.
hindi po pwedeng sabihin lang ng ni Representative Marcoleta, well, I'm actually referring to the
Okay, so please make
supplemental.
sure
When
that
I-
your manifestation
Opo.
is contained or part of the computerized two affidavits of the resource person.
Opo,
You may continue.
the whole content of my manifestation refers to the supplemental affidavit.
That is a correction to what you have said earlier.
Yes, ma'am.
Please continue.
Madam Chair.
The Honorable Joboy Aquino and then Honorable Abante.
Madam Chair, can we limit
Yes,
The-
we are actually limited to 5 minutes per justice member. And I think you are on your 4
Ma'am.
minutes already.
Yes, ma'am.
So, with your indulgence, Honorable Marcoleta,
Talagang
please.
ayaw nila pagsalitain yung mga may katwiran. Ayaw nila. Di ba? Alam nyo na, sa 2028, alam nyo na. Alam nyo na.
Wind up on your
Yes, ma'am.
manifestation. You have 1 minute to wind up.
Yes. Madam Chairman, the weight of the claim must be matched by the weight of the evidence. As it stands, there is a vast and troubling gap between the two. Lastly, the timing and circumstances of this testimony raise serious questions of motive. Madam Chair, I also wish to place on record my serious concern about the timing and context of this testimony. The document is dated April 11,
Pipigilan niya, pipigilan.
24, if I'm not mistaken, ma'am. It might be corrected on the exact date. April
Comsec, can
11.
you please confirm it if the date is April 11, 2026?
Of the supplemental affidavit.
The date of the supplemental affidavit.
May I confirm the exact date?
Kindly confirm the date. Okay, it's confirmed April 11, 2026. April 11 ba?
Ah, okay.
Akin. Please continue.
Alam mo, pakiramdam ko, hindi Pilipino tong mga to eh. Yun ang pakiramdam ko, pasensya na. Pakiramdam ko parang kawawa tayo mga Pilipino. Oo. Api tayo sa mga nakaupo ngayon. Oo, yun ang pakiramdam ko. Para bang walang boses ang sambayan ng Pilipino ngayon. Na bahala kayo dyan, dito kami. Nakaupo na kami, wala kami pakialam sa inyo. 'Di ba? Parang ganyan na ramdaman namin mga Pilipino. Ako ramdam ko ramdam ko. What if pa kayo mahihirap? Ramdam na ramdam nila. Hindi dahil sa paghihirap na wala silang makain. Dun sa walang katwirang ginangyayari ngayon. Dun sa walang pagmamalasakit ng mga to, walang puso. 'Di ba? Hindi kayo yun ha. Tamaan sa bato sa langit, o tamaan wag magagalit.
Honorable
Bagay, hindi kayo makakapunta sa langit. Kaya hindi kayo pwedeng tamaan ng bato doon.
Marcoleta.
Okay, ma'am. Winding up. Let me skip that part, ma'am.
Okay,
Kasi
skip.
Madam
akala
Chair.
ko this is 2024. Anyway,
Madam Chair,
Let us allow him to finish. After all, he has 1 minute left. 30
But-
seconds na nga lang.
this is very
Ha? 4 minutes, 30 seconds na lang? Iba talaga.
critical in the statement made by Representative Marcoleta because he said April 11, 2024. And if we can go back to the records and confirm that is what.
Yes, that's
what
why
was
I
he
said it's April 11, 2026.
kaya
I
nga po
corrected
kinoconfirm
Honorable
ko,
Marcoleta.
Representative Sandanya, that's why I'm verifying the actual date of the supplemental affidavit.
So
Are you holding a copy?
Opo.
What is the date written in your copy?
It's rather the reproduction is rather unclear, madam.
No, it's the date of signing and the date of jurat. It's April 11, 2026. Taguig City. Where did you
Okay.
get your 2024?
Dito po kasi tinignan ko sa taas eh. In witness whereof I have here unto set my
It's
hand.
2026.
Opo. Parang
The
na
date of signing.
Opo, opo. Anyway,
Madam Chair, this page is on page 24. So I hope that the good gentleman would look closely at the document.
yes, I am
Thank
actually
you, Madam Chair.
skipping that.
Kindly
Uh,
wind up,
okay.
Honorable Marcoleta.
Okay. Specifically, I respectfully urge the committee through a manifestation to require the following before receiving this written testimony into record and giving it any substantial evidentiary weight. Number one, disclosure of whether the witness has been offered promise or expecting any form of
It was
legal
answered
accommodation.
already by Ramil Madriaga during the clarificatory hearing.
Yes, ma'am. Number two, identification of at least one independent, documentary, or corroborating piece of evidence that supports any single material
It will be
claim
the exclusive
in this written
judgment
testimony.
of the justice members in the determination of probable cause.
Number three, ma'am, clarification of how the witness, a man detained since July 20,
Ay,
2020.
anong sabihin mo dyan? Hindi ka mananalo dyan. Kung Henry, mo na yan. Hintayin na lang natin hintayin na lang natin na na tayo naman nasa taas.
Three, came to have knowledge of and access to the specific details he describes and how those details can be independently verified.
That will be a probing question already. It should happen in the trial.
Tingin mo sagot ni ni Henry Marcoleta.
It's not a question, ma'am.
But
And
that
number one.
is a statement as to what the Justice Committee should do, and it goes beyond the clarificatory hearing already.
Opo.
If you were observing earlier, I've been stopping the questions of so many members to make sure that we confine this proceeding to a clarificatory hearing. So please,
Yes,
do
ma'am.
not suggest something that will go beyond
Yes, ma'am.
the intention of this
And
proceeding.
if I may take note, ma'am,
Kala mo naman talaga no?
the chair already called out most of the members of the committee into stating probing questions.
And you are suggesting probing actions also.
Lahat na lang sa'yo si probing.
The last one that you read. Unless you don't understand what you
It's a
read.
request, ma'am. It's a request. It's
That
not a
is
probing
why.
question.
I am reacting to your request because your request entails probing action already.
Opo, and if I may
Iba na talaga to. Iba na si Bakulaw.
this observation,
Si
ma'am.
Bakulaw.
Halos
Hindi ikaw hindi ko si Bakulaw baka sabihin mo si Bakulaw ka
20 po.
Wala akong sinasabi.
Kinall out po ninyo na nagpo-probe probing questions. I don't know if the committee can still continue with a hearing na hindi nakapagtanong ng probing questions without violating with the confining to the standards of a hearing without going to a full trial kasi halos 20
This
na.
is not a trial.
O nga, bakit puro probing questions ang ating tinanong? Halos 25 po yata
And
ang
that is
kinall out
why
ninyo.
we are preventing the
Opo.
justice members from raising or pursuing the probing questions.
Yes, ma'am. And
Balwarte nila yan. And yaan mo na. Ubusin na namin ang tax namin pagkakabayad sa mga yan. Okay lang, pagbigyan na natin yung mga yan. Yaan mo na.
I don't know if this is probing again.
Tama si Cathy Binag may karma din. Yaan mo na.
If I may be furnished a full accounting of who assisted the witness in preparing, drafting, or delivering this written testimony, and whether any party with an interest in the outcome of this proceeding was involved in that process.
I think that has been answered by Madriaga already during our clarificatory hearing.
And my final remark, Madam. Madam Chair, the impeachment of a sitting constitutional officer is among the gravest acts this House can perform. It must rest on a foundation of truth, verified, corroborated, and credible truth. A written account from a detained suspect containing sweeping and unverified allegations of
You are
assassination.
touching again on the credibility of the resource person. With all due respect, Honorable Marcoleta.
Madam Chair, I move to strike off from the records the remarks of Representative
Kinombo
Marcoleta.
Kinombo ng mga crocodile no?
There is a
Pertaining to
motion to
credibility of
strike
the
out from the record.
Hindi kayo mga crocodile Yung isa. Ulaan niyo kung sino.
Pertaining to the statements pertaining to the credibility of the witness. Is there any second? Same has been seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Please strike out from the record all statements of the Honorable Marcoleta
Minos-
pertaining to the credibility of resource person Ramil Madriaga.
Baka po walang matira doon, Mama. Sana yung final lang kasi
Motion of strike show. Grabe tong mga to.
Please
Wala nang-
understand.
at
The
least the
issues
Filipino
concerning
people are watching kahit
credibility
na pina-strike out niyo yung mga
must be
statements ko.
raised in the trial
Ma'am,
and not in this clarificatory
when you were
hearing.
interviewed before the media, ma'am, sinabi nyo you're here to test the credibility
Please
of the
confine
witness.
your
Madam Chair, point
of
manifestation to what
order.
is happening
Wala. Ayaw niyo pagsetain yung mama.
in
Madam
this proceeding.
Chair, point
The
of
Honorable
order.
Diaz Suarez.
Are we backpedaling?
With the permission of Congressman Marcoleta. I think we've given the gentleman enough.
Si ano yung nagkakape-kape. Sino ba yun? Hindi mo, relax na relax sila Sulitin nyo na. Relax na relax sila kakape dun sa kaliwa. Sino ba yun? Pangalan nun?
And sufficient time
Kakape-kape
to
ka lang.
explain and expound on his position. We still have so many matters to discuss and so many resource persons have been waiting.
Parang, alam mo, pakiramdam ko sa mga to, parang inaapis ang bayan ng Pilipino, no? Hindi, parang sila, parang nasa kapangyarihan kami, eto kami ngayon. Parang gano'n naramdaman ko sa kanila. Pasensya na, yung naramdaman ko,
So may I ask the indulgence of the good congressman if we can already put and conclude his position and move on with our hearing because Madam Chair, it's 3:45 in the afternoon.
Okay.
So let's
We
not,
have given
let's not
him
labor
more than
anymore.
10 minutes already,
Besides,
although
so,
the same is protracted.
Ma'am, ako lang naman ang opposing dito oppositors.
Mm.
Madam
Pagbigyan nyo na
Chair,
ako.
again, I would like
That is not a parameter at all, Honorable
Anyway,
Marcoleta.
one
We are
sentence.
equal in this impeachment proceeding. We do not look as to the political affiliation of the justice members. We are
Ebak.
investigators here, conducting a clarificatory hearing for only one purpose. That is the determination of probable cause.
Thank you, ma'am. May final sentence.
Last sentence. Please be so.
Wala, iba talaga pakiramdam natin sa mga to, no? Aping-api sambayan ng Pilipino. Hindi kay Pinky, aping-api na. Walang makakuha yung taong bayan. Hanggang dito talaga, no? Grabe. Tapos pag kumampi dyan, DDS yan mga yan. Gagawin nilang DDS kahit di naman DDS. Di ba? Maraming dyan na tao ngayon, DDS Nabubusi sa pinagagawa nila Di ba? Wala inatupag kundi yung isa hindi naman DDS medyo sikat, puro inatupag nila, puro impeachment na lang, ayaw nila itupagin yung problema ng bansa. Ba sinabihan ba naman DDS ka siguro? Biruin mo, DDS daw yung tao nagsasayta lang para sa bayan? Wala talaga. Grabe panahon ngayon. Sakit sa puso. Ang sakit sa damdamin, ginaganito yung sambayan ng Pilipino. Hindi na nahiya itong mga to. Ano pinapasahod sa mga to? Pera ng taong bayan. Pera ng taong bayan, nagsasakripisyo araw-araw. Nagsada sa initan, namamalengke, nagsasakay sa jeep, nagpapapagod sa kanilang trabaho, puyat, pagod, dugot, pawis. Pinapasahod sa inyo, tapos ganito makakuha sa taong bayan. Grabe.
The Filipino people are watching this proceeding. They are watching to see whether this committee will hold itself to the standard that the Constitution and the gravity of this moment demand. I am confident that the honorable members of this committee are fully capable of meeting this standard. I make this manifestation in faithful service to this institution, to the truth, and to the Filipino people. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Grabe nangyari ngayon. Iba na. Iba na, kayo na lang po umusga. Sa 2028 po, kita-kita na lang po. Di ba? Maraming salamat. Isang makabulong talakayan to. Hindi to ordinary nangyayari ngayon, mga kababayan. No? Ipagdasal na lang natin sila na sana, ewan ko kung anong basta nakikita natin, ramdam natin, wala tayong katarungan ngayon. Wala tayong boses ngayon. Yan ang kalagayan ng sambayan ng Pilipino ngayon. Aping-api. Walang kakampi mga Pilipino ngayon. Yan nakikita ko. Okay, maraming salamat sa inyo. Hanggang sa susunod, paalam po sa inyong lahat.